Hey, welcome back to the channel. I want to start with a question. Have you ever found yourself staring at your phone, hoping for a call? Maybe it's from someone you've been waiting to hear from, a friend, a partner, or someone special. You refresh your screen, check the time, maybe even send a quick text, wondering why they haven't reached out yet. Your mind races with thoughts. What if they've forgotten about me? What if they're not interested? The uncertainty can feel overwhelming. But in the midst of all this doubt, there's a part of you that quietly hopes that at any moment, your phone will ring and it will be the call you've been waiting for. What if I told you that it's not just a pipe dream? What if I told you that within the next 30 seconds, they could call you? It might sound unbelievable, maybe even a little crazy. After all, we've all heard of the idea of manifesting before, but it can feel like something that's out of reach. I get it. This might seem like something straight out of a fairy tale. But here's the secret. It's not magic, and it's not luck. It's the power of your mind, your energy, and your beliefs. Yes, you can actually make this happen. What I'm about to share with you today isn't some gimmick or trick. It's about tapping into the incredible potential you already have within you. It's about learning to trust in your energy and intentions so you can create the outcome you desire. The reason you haven't seen the results you're hoping for isn't because you're not worthy or deserving. It's because you've been unaware of the power that lies within you. The truth is, we all have the ability to influence our reality, but most of us have never been taught how. You might be wondering, how does this even work? How can simply thinking about something make it happen? Well, manifestation isn't about just wishful thinking. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions in such a way that they attract the very thing you desire. In the next few minutes, I'm going to guide you through a simple yet powerful technique that will help you bring that call into your life. Yes, it's possible, and it starts with you. Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how. Let's dive in. Step 1. The blown in the wind technique. Let's dive into the first step, the blown in the wind technique. It may sound simple, even a little mysterious, but this technique is incredibly powerful when done correctly. The key here is to tap into the stillness of your mind, allowing the energy of your desire to flow freely. Now, I know you might be wondering how such a straightforward process could have any real effect. But trust me, when you approach it with the right mindset, it can bring about real change. Start by finding a moment of calm. It's important to create an environment where you can fully focus. This might mean stepping away from distractions, finding a quiet spot, or even dimming the lights for a moment. Close your eyes and take a deep, intentional breath. Inhale slowly, allowing your lungs to fill completely with air. Then exhale gently, releasing any tension or doubt you may be holding. Take a few moments to center yourself, bringing your mind into the present moment. Now, with your eyes still closed, begin to picture the person you want to receive the call from. Visualize their face as clearly as possible. See their smile, the way their eyes light up when they speak, or the subtle tone of their voice. The more specific you can make this mental image, the stronger your connection to them will be. Focus on all the little details: their hair, their expression, how they stand or sit. The clearer and more vivid this mental image, the more powerful your intention becomes. Once you have their image locked in your mind, mentally say this phrase: "They will call me within 30 seconds. I know they will." Say it confidently and firmly, not just as a wish, but as a certainty. Feel the weight and conviction of these words as you repeat them in your mind. As you do, Allow that deep sense of certainty to grow. Don't just hope that it will happen. Believe that it is already in motion. Now envision them reaching for their phone. Picture them scrolling through their contacts and see their finger tapping on your name. Imagine the sound of your ringtone filling the air, a confirmation that this is happening. See the call coming through and allow yourself to feel the excitement of that moment. You're not waiting for something to happen. You're expecting it to happen. This is where the real magic lies, in the belief. You must believe in the process with every ounce of your being. It's not enough to just go through the motions. You have to embody the energy of certainty. Trust in the flow of your thoughts and intentions. The more you align yourself with that unwavering belief, the more powerful the manifestation becomes. Remember, you are not just wishing for this to happen. You are declaring it. You are setting an intention, and the universe is listening. Step 2. The power of confidence and belief. At the core of this technique is one fundamental element: belief. Without it, nothing will happen. It's not about hoping or wishing for a phone call. It's about knowing with absolute certainty that it's on its way to you. This is where most people get stuck. They might go through the motions, but if they don't truly believe, they are sending mixed signals to the universe. Confidence in what you're manifesting is everything. Let's walk through this again, but this time with a stronger sense of certainty. Picture the scenario clearly in your mind. Your phone rings. You see their name flash across the screen, and you're filled with a deep knowing that this is exactly what you've been waiting for. But here's the key. Before you even pick up the phone, feel that wave of trust wash over you. You don't need to question it. You don't need to wonder if it will happen. You know it's happening because your belief is unshakable. You have complete trust that this call is meant for you. Now take a moment to really let that sense of peace sink in. You are worthy of this connection. You deserve to hear from them. Your confidence isn't just in the outcome. It's in your own energy, your power to manifest, and your ability to create the reality you desire. When you believe with your whole being, the universe responds in kind. This confidence isn't about arrogance. It's about quiet assurance. When you hold this certainty, you align your energy with what you're manifesting. You're no longer waiting for a call. You're expecting it. The call is already on its way. Step 3. Tracing their name on the screen now. Let's take it one step further with a simple but powerful action. Tracing their name on your phone screen. This technique deepens your connection to your intention by engaging your senses and reinforcing your desire in a physical way. Start by opening your phone and locating their contact. If you don't have their number saved, you can still visualize it or write their name in your mind. But if the contact is saved, tap on their name and, using your finger, slowly trace the letters of their name on the screen. As your finger moves, focus on the energy of the words you're forming with every movement. Silently say to yourself, "Call me, contact me, reach out." Feel the intention in those words. Let each motion of your finger amplify your desire, sending a clear signal to the universe that you are ready for this connection. With every letter, you're building the momentum of this manifestation. As you trace, imagine you're drawing the path for them to call you. You're not just moving your finger, you're sending out a stream of energy, your intention flowing directly from your mind through your hand and into your phone. Every swipe, every motion you make brings them closer to taking action. Once you've traced the full name, pause for a moment. Take a deep breath in, allowing the calm energy to fill your body. Now, blow softly onto the screen as if you're sending your intention out into the world. This small act is symbolic. You're releasing your desire into the air, letting the universe know you're ready to receive. Trust that this intention has now been set in motion, and the energy is traveling toward the person you've called upon. You've done your part. Now, simply allow the process to unfold. Step 4. Infinite belief. Here's where the real magic happens, in your unwavering belief. At this point, you've done the work. You've visualized, focused, and connected your energy to the desire for that phone call. But there's one crucial step that many people overlook: consistency in belief. It's not enough to just perform the technique once and expect everything to fall into place. The power of manifestation comes from continuous confidence and absolute trust in the process. The moment you begin to doubt, even just a little bit, you disrupt the flow of energy you've created. Doubt acts like a block, a wall between your intention and your desire. If you even question whether it's possible, you weaken the powerful connection you've established. Manifestation isn't just about wishing for something. It's about knowing that it will happen. And that kind of certainty comes from holding on to your belief at all times, no matter what. Maintaining belief. So how do you maintain this belief? First, you must recognize that you are in control of your thoughts. Your mind is incredibly powerful, and it has the ability to shape your reality. Every time you focus on the outcome, in this case, the phone call, you're reinforcing the energy needed to bring it into being. But that belief needs to be strong and continuous. You can't just hope they'll call you within 30 seconds. You have to know they will. You must feel deep down that the call is already on its way to you. You think about it like this. If you were expecting someone to show up at your door at a specific time, you wouldn't sit there wondering if they'll arrive. You'd prepare yourself as though it's already happening. The same mindset applies to manifestation. You're not waiting for a call. You're expecting it. You trust that it's already in motion. Let go of any lingering doubts. If a thought comes up like, "What if it doesn't happen immediately?" Replace it with, "It is happening." They will call, reaffirm your belief at every moment. You are sending out an energetic signal that says, "I am worthy of this. I trust the process, and I believe in my power to manifest." Manifestation is a process of alignment. Remember, manifestation is a process of aligning your energy with your desire. If you feel even the slightest bit of hesitation or second-guessing, pause, breathe, and remind yourself that your intention is already in motion. You've set the energy, and now you must trust that it will unfold as it's meant to. Believe with every fiber of your being that this call is coming. Don't just wish for it. Know that it's happening. When you hold on to this belief with infinite certainty, you open the door for your manifestation to flow effortlessly into your reality. The universe will respond, and that call will come. Trust it. Believe it. Know it. Trust in the process. Now let me ask you, how does it feel to believe? To know that your thoughts and intentions are powerful enough to make something happen. You don't need to wait and wonder. You can take control of your own energy and bring the connection you desire closer. And yes, within 30 seconds, they will call you. Trust in this technique. Trust in yourself. And if they don't call right away, don't lose hope. Keep believing. Keep trusting. Because when you truly know, you will see your thoughts create your reality. So create a reality where they call you. Conclusion: if you felt the power of this technique, give this video a thumbs up. And if you want more tips on manifesting love, connection, and abundance in your life, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can also leave a comment below. I'd love to hear if you've experienced the magic of this method and how it worked for you. Remember, the power is in your hands. Believe, and it will happen. Until next time, take care and trust that the call is coming.